their causes, and how to get rid of them. But you must first subscribe to the channel so that every day is new with new information. The gallbladder is a small sac located directly under the liver. The gallbladder sac stores the gallbladder juice produced by the liver. The gallbladder juice helps the body to digest fats. Gallbladder juice flows from the gallbladder sac towards the small intestines through tiny and small channel called the bile ducts. Gallstones range in size from smaller than a grain of sand to larger than a golf ball. Most gallstones do not cause any problems, but if one of these stones blocks the gallbladder ducts, then they must be treated. It is not clear what causes gallstone to form. Doctors think that gallstone may result when your bile contains a lot of cholesterol. The bile usually contains enough chemicals to dissolve the cholesterol produced by the liver. But if the liver excretes more cholesterol, then the bile can dissolve in the excess cholesterol may turn into crystals and eventually turn into stones. The patient feels a sudden severe pain in the abdomen known as biliary colic. When gallstone causes a blockage in one of the bile ducts, usually this pain lasts for a period ranging from 1 hour to 5 hours, and in some cases the duration of pain may reach only several minutes. Each pain attack may be separated by weeks or months without pain. Most people with gallstones that do not cause symptoms will not need treatment. Your doctor may recommend that you watch for symptoms of gallstone complications, such as pain in the upper right side of your abdomen. If signs and symptoms of gallstone appear in the future, you may undergo treatment. In today's time, the electropathy is such a medical system that can cure gallbladder stone by dissolving it. The main electropathy medicines are S2, C2, F1, S6, C6, YE, S5, C5, L1 and S10. If you want to get your gallbladder stone dissolved and want to order these medicines, then call or WhatsApp on this number 9587949077. Thank you.